Hi, today I'm going to try and fix my sofa, which is like a musical love chair. The Bluetooth, the control panel's not working at all. It was the other day, today it's not. So I'll show you what it's doing and then we'll take it apart. So that's the sofa. Here's the control panel. So put in an iPod or USB, SIM card, auxiliary. Oh, let me just, I think I unplugged it at the wall. Okay, I'll turn it on at the wall now. Okay, that's what it does. It was working fine several days ago. I tried this last night and that's what it does. So I'm going to take this off, which isn't difficult. See, this was actually brushed aluminium, but it got that scratched and banged, as you can see a little bit. I sprayed it white. We're going to have to take these off, a few screws, and have a look at it. So let's do that. I'm doing this all with a handy cam, so I'll come back to it when I've taken it off. Wow, they were tough to get out. First sight, I can't see anything that's blown. The caps aren't bulging. Let's get this out and see what we can see. Okay. Visually it's a little bit dirty, but nothing's jumping out. See if we can get this off some more. Okay. There's a lot of hot snot around. That's going to be fun to get off. Carefully. There we go. That's the last connector. S out. Label that up. Assuming that's Subway. Subway. The subwoofer. In fact, I'm going to leave them out because they take that long to get in and out. I'll just leave the face on there and take all this into the little man cave. So I'll meet you in there. Okay, so as you can see, the fault seems to be just power cycling. You turn it on, so we have power in here, which goes through this cap and then into this. So I'm not sure what that is. I am not a professional at this, by the way, but I am interested in circuit boards. So let's just test that cap. There's a crystal there. I wonder if that could have something to do with it. That's directly under that IC. Okay, I'm just going to find out the pin out for this. Okay, I can't find any reference to this IC SJ4410. I can find one link to Senstre.com, but it doesn't have a datasheet for it. It gives a datasheet for a lot of other numbers, but not that specific one. I think I found a link at one point to AliExpress, but that was down. There was nothing there, so that page had been taken down. I think I'm just going to go through and check all the caps, make sure they're okay. I may need to get this under the microscope, but we'll just go around and check all the caps first. There's a considerable amount of crud in there. Whether that's shorting anything. I think I should get this under the microscope, of which I am waiting to arrive, so we're going to come back to this. Okay, just before I was going to give up on that until I got the microscope, I thought I'd give the power leader a check. Really? Should have been the first thing I checked. But this should be a 12 volt power supply. Center is positive. The outside is negative. And this is what we're getting. 7.2, so it's jumping all over the place. 7.1, 7.2 volts. This isn't giving out 12 volts. So next thing, check it with 12 volts. I think we may have found the issue. Okay, miracle of miracles, I managed to find a 12 volt DC adapter with the same end. I've checked it, it fits. So let's see what this is outputting. Let's just make sure these are the same. Yes, they are. Okay, can you see that? That's exactly what the other one should give out. But as you can see, it was down at 7 and fluctuating. So I think that's it. Next thing, put it all lightly back together and test the new lead. Okay, it's all lightly put back together for now. The new adapter is plugged in at the wall. Let's give it some power, see what it does. Function Bluetooth, yeah, USB and auxiliary, back to power and power off. Okay, so lesson learned. Let's put this back together properly now and start using the new adapter. We'll test it again once it's all back together. Okay. Perfect. Excellent. So, turned out to be the first thing I should have checked, really. So if you're having this issue with this particular sofa, make sure you check the adapter. Hopefully next time I'll find something a little more interesting to fix. Thanks for watching. Give it a like if you liked it, please. Thank you.